Walking Macau Streets, colorful people, colorful buildings. I love this town.
It's a street named after a book. Let's take a look. Yeah, take a look. Cool book.
Kind of have these beautiful buildings, and then it kind of goes down and back up, so you can see some tall buildings on the other side, because Macau is built with a lot of hills because it's island historically, so you'll have that element to it. So we're basically right at the foot of our target street, so we're gonna walk over that way. And then this space is amazing. So people will come and they'll photograph this space right here. Yeah, look at that. So that one is kind of surrounded by. This is kind of a cool looking street. So yeah, this is a really beautiful street. I love this red right here. But we're actually near this street named after a novelist, after a fiction book, Don Quixote. I always mispronounce that. But we're gonna start here, and then we're gonna go up this way. We're gonna check out this little temple right here. That you can't see it in the camera yet. And we're just gonna go down that way and check out the street. But we're gonna start at this really beautiful area. So so stay tuned for that. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so we're gonna get started. We'll show you what all this red is. It's really kind of beautiful. And actually the way they kind of come down this hill looks kind of cool. There we go. Capture that bike. Okay, so let's check it all out. So this goes down towards, let me walk over this way. Kind of have these beautiful buildings, and then it kind of goes down and back up, so you can see some tall buildings on the other side, because Macau is built with a lot of hills because it's island historically, so you'll have that element to it. We'll go across like this, and then this one right here, they'll do, like, I've seen them do firecracker stuff, dragon dancing up there. What's that called? Dragon dancing, lion dance. So they'll have kids and they'll train up there. We got a temple right here, so that's really beautiful. I'm going to focus on that on a different side, but that's a pretty nice little space. Let me come around like this.
Walking Macau Streets, colorful people, colorful buildings. I love this town.
Let me move back a little bit. I'm going to bring the camera like this and come over here. We have the same temple right here. Some really beautiful imagery right there as well. So we're basically right at the foot of our target street, so we're going to walk over that way. You got that nice little alley, so there's actually an alley down that way. Let me just briefly look like that.
Red temple, so beautiful, blow my mind.
I love that yellow lantern, and Macau, you really shine.
So beautiful, blow my mind.
So we're gonna head up to our target street. Our target street, we're right at the base of it. So There it is right there. And let me just kind of highlight where we're at exactly. So that's the name in Chinese and in Portuguese. So it's named after the literature book from Spain, Quixote.
A street named after a book. Let's take a look. Yeah, take a look. Cool book.
Okay. So let's head on down our Target Street. And we'll just see what's on here too. There are some shops. It's Chinese New Year, so it's kind of interesting to see what's open or not open. They do design there. Quixote. Nice bike. Oh, there's a tomato. Tomato is like a fusion Chinese Portuguese restaurant, and they have another branch down the hill. 1994. Okay. It's nice. Nice venue. Okay. So let's keep on going down. Just kind of see. That looks kind of Filipino-ish. Art Space Finishes. This one is called Child Evangelism Fellowship of Macau. Wow, check out those balconies. This is a hair salon. And then yeah, check out those balconies. Wow. It's kind of amazing. We had that balcony. So this is our Target Street. It's relatively short. And it kind of comes out on Rua de Sol. We're gonna check out that. This is our end of our street right here, but we're just going to briefly look at those balconies real quick. So those balconies, it's too bad. This is like, oh, this is actually, that's actually an apartment as well, but they don't have any windows on this side. So that's unfortunate for them. But this balcony right here, these ones, let me stand underneath it, would look out under here. So actually they got kind of a good view. So let's go down because there's a really nice spot right just let me walk in this space here. And then this space is amazing. So people will come and they'll photograph this space right here. Yeah, look at that. So that one is just kind of surrounded by so this goes up to Fort Monch, which is like a giant fortress at the top. And then that one is where our Target Street is at, right over there. And then you kind of have this beautiful, beautiful view. So let's step back just a little tiny bit. And I just want to capture some of this other stuff on the sides too. Like that. It's kind of a cool looking thing right there. Okay. So what we're going to do next is we're just going to walk across like this. We're going to find a good spot to end our video. You know what I think I'm going to do? I'm just going to go back to Quixote. There you go. So that was our Target Street. So you're kind of getting the full experience. Year of the Dragon, they got a dragon right there, 2024. This street is so short, so why not just get back to that temple. Yeah, meeting point. I think I've seen that place open before, but it's closed today. Now we're back at our temple.
I love that yellow lantern, and Macau, you really shine.
Red, red temple, so beautiful, blow my mind.
It's gonna come back out this way. Now we're back at all the red again. And then we could actually go down that way as well. And I think what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna go back up this way. And then up there you can kind of see what I was kind of talking about with the lion dance. So they'll have kids up there, they'll go through and they'll practice up at the top there. So that's actually kind of interesting too. And we're gonna end our video back where we started. And I'm actually gonna go down just a little bit further because I'm gonna bring the camera back up. And that way you can kind of see the design of that red. Yeah, let's see how to do that. I guess it's better if I'm out of it. So it looks kind of inviting when you go up. Okay.
Walking Macau streets, colorful people, colorful buildings. I love this town.
Right there. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la música.